Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur faces or objects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to the color page. Then to add a new node, press Alt plus S to create a new serial node, and this will let you apply a blur effect separately. And in the node section, click the window icon. Choose a shape, then resize and position the shape over the face or object that you want to blur. Next, go to the tracker panel, then click play under the track forward to let DaVinci Resolve follow the objects as its move in the clip. Then apply the blur. Click the blur icon. Then increase the radius slider until the face or object is blurred. Then you can use a feather the edges. Still in the window tab, adjust the softness slider to make the blur blend smoothly in the background, and play back and adjust. And that's how you blur faces or objects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!